In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TICKER in Framer. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, on your site, you want to find a place where you have multiple images which you would like to use the TICKER on. Now, what TICKER does is actually, it's like a slideshow, so this will basically just go ahead and keep on sliding these images over here from left to right or right to left, and it's going to basically showcase all the images while having some movement. So let me show you how to actually create this using a TICKER because it's actually very simple inside the Framer. So you want to go ahead and select your images over here. So for example, I'm going to do this with those 3 images over here, but of course I could do this with any amount of images. It doesn't matter. So what you want to do, you want to switch over to layers. That's what I would recommend. And you want to select the image. Now, over here, as you can see on the left hand side, you have image 1, 2, and 3. And then all of these are inside a container. And this is this container over here. Now, for this to work, the easiest method to do this is basically you want to select your container, and then of course that container includes all those images as you can see over here. That's the most convenient way you can do that. So select that, and when that's selected, you want to go to your right panel over here, go to Effects, click on the plus button inside Effects, and here it says TICKER. Click on TICKER, and then over here you can go ahead and adjust the speed. So for example, I'm just going to leave this as 100. You can adjust the hover and then the direction as well. So I want it to go towards the left side. And then here, if you want it to be draggable, you can do yes or no if you don't want it to be draggable. Now, draggable means you can then basically drag it whenever it's sliding, so it can basically go back to an image or, of course, forward if you want to. Now, let me show you what this actually does. Now, if I close this, and if I go into preview mode up here, and if I scroll down on the site, there we go. As you can see, these images are now playing like that over here. So that's actually quite cool because you can do this, as you can see, like with logos, for example. This was actually pre-made. I didn't make this, but that's how easy it is to actually use a TICKER inside Framer. You just basically select the container, set up the TICKER, set the speed, and you're good. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.